Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you wanted to grow your email list, a landing page is an absolute must. With a landing page, you have a distraction-free experience without the bloated menu and without anything extra that your potential visitors are likely to click and go away. A landing page provides a distraction-free experience built for one thing alone, and that is to get you your subscriber. And on Mailchimp, if you're using Mailchimp, that is in the dashboard of Mailchimp, you will see campaigns. If you click on campaign, you'll get to the button on the top right that says create. To create your landing page, click on create here. You'll see options to create a regular email or create an automated journey or to build a landing page. Click on build landing page. I'm not going to give a name on this page because I already have created one. So I'm going to click out of this and go to social signups, which is the first landing page I'm trying to build. All of these are options that will show up after you start creating your page, but we are going to get into edit design. That's where we are going to build your landing page on Mailchimp. And inside here, you have a template and you can choose any kind of a template that are available inside Mailchimp. Within this template, we're going to make simple changes and we're going to keep it very, very simple. You can choose a dark background, you can choose a white background, is really up to you. If you click on any element on the page, on the right hand side, you have all of the options to make the changes to that particular element. In this case, I'm choosing the heading, so you can make all of the changes to the heading right here. If you click on the email section here, you have all options that are related to your email subscription form. You can change the fonts to a few of the fonts that are available inside Mailchimp. You can change the styles, you can make it bold, you can align it, or you can change the text color to something else, and so on. I can also add a form field as well. So I could come to content and available fields are so on. I'm going to add first name as a field that I would require. This is great for personalizing your emails. If you just go with email addresses, there's no way you would know who that person is. You have no name to address them with. So to utilize the best of email marketing, it's highly recommended you also ask for a first name. I'm going to make it required. I can change button text here. So make it more contextual, something like join the community. Can make changes to this other sections here as well. I could add a few logos, I could add a few testimonials, and you can add a few blurbs and maybe add a few sections, and you can even add a final section here. If you want to add sections, go to the right hand side panel, drag them over to the landing page and see where Mailchimp is allowing you to add something. For example, if I wanted to add a video, so I could grab hold of the video element here, and where it says drop block here, add the block here and add a video URL right here. So you are limited by what you can build, but then I don't recommend building anything complex for something like this, where your only goal is to sign up subscribers for your email list. That's how you go about building landing pages. And let's say you are done building your landing page, get down to the bottom right section here and click on save and close. You get a lot more options to actually manage how your landing page works and where it connects to inside your Mailchimp ecosystem. You can add a page title and site icon. Then you can add a social media share preview. You can edit the URL as well, connect it to a custom domain. You can also save and tag your audiences. So if I click on edit audience, then the audience is going to be your brand name or the name of the list that you created, but the tags could be something like a freebie download. Let's say if you don't have relevant tag here, on the left side panel here on Mailchimp, you can go back to tags and create a tag you want to associate with for the people who are signing up on this landing page, so that you can be relevant when it comes to what kind of email campaigns you're sending out. So once you're done, you have your content right here, which is nothing but your landing page design. And you can also set up tracking other settings here. If you have created a few landing pages for your email signups, please do feel free to share them in the description below. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please do like and share this video. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.